In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ClickUp Sprints. If you're planning work in short, focused timeframes and want predictable delivery, sprints are the perfect feature to turn on. We'll walk through exactly where to click, and I'll share a few tips so you don't get stuck. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace in ClickUp. The setting we're about to change lives at the space level, so it won't affect every space in your account, only the one you choose. Before you begin, it helps to decide on your sprint length. 1 or 2 weeks are common, so once the toggle is on, your team can start planning right away. You can always adjust those details later within the space's sprint options. Start by clicking your workspace name at the very top left of the screen, just above the Home button. It looks like a small drop-down next to your workspace logo. This opens the main menu where you can access global options. If your interface is compact or you're in full screen mode, hover near the top to reveal this header. Next, click Settings. This takes you into your workspace settings area. On the left, you'll see a sidebar menu. Find and click Spaces. This page lists every space in your workspace, along with the features that can be turned on or off for each one. Now, pick the space where you want sprints enabled. If your team uses separate spaces for engineering, marketing, or operations, choose the one that needs sprint planning. After you select it, scroll through the available features until you see sprints. Click the toggle to turn it on. The switch should change color or position to confirm it's enabled. That's it. The feature is now active for that space. Once sprints are on, you'll typically see sprint-related options appear in the space, like the ability to create sprint cycles, define durations, and track velocity. If you don't see those right away, refresh your browser or navigate back to the space's views and check the sidebar. A couple of quick tips. If you can't click Spaces or don't see the sprints toggle, you might need admin or space manager permissions. Ask an admin to grant access or to enable it for you. If you manage multiple teams, consider enabling sprints in a test space first to confirm it fits your workflow. Then mirror the setup in your main spaces. You can toggle sprints off later if needed without losing your tasks. And that's how you enable ClickUp Sprints. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.